Hello everyone. So I'm Uriel Alonso from the Philippines. And is anyone here familiar with TAK? Well, so I guess I'll share this later with my talk. So let me introduce first myself. So I'm a cloud application specialist at Upper Cloud Labs, and the main professional services engineer and community lead of AWS User Group Builders Plus Philippines, and alumna of AWS Restart 2024, and She Builds program mentorship program 2024 as well. So before I go to my main talk, let me introduce first the organization and the people who helped me with my cloud journey. So as I've mentioned earlier, I'm a community lead of the AWS User Group Builders Plus Philippines. So I'll just introduce this real quick. So it's an affiliate of the AWS User Group Philippines, and it is dedicated to building a powerful community for women and LGBTQIA+ in tech. And this organization not only brings together women and LGBTQIA+ community from academia, startups, and government, but also actively motivates, inspires, and empowers women to aspire to enter the technology field. So we promote inclusivity, and we empower and support women and LGBTQIA+ in tech. And so it's more than just a group. It serves as a platform for empowerment. So we don't just do events. We also have currently we have a mentorship program for students, career shifters, and early professionals as well. And I'd like to introduce my company as well. So Upper Cloud Labs is a trusted name in the Philippines in the tech industry. So we specialize in cloud solutions and technology enablement. And we've empowered leading companies, top universities, and also one of the biggest fintech organization in the Philippines, and also countless Filipinos professionals to embrace innovation and unlock their full potential in the cloud and AI industry. So so let's get to it. So the reality in the Philippines. So the Philippines is one of the most disaster exposed countries, and it is ranked most disaster prone nation for 16 consecutive years. And it experienced average of 20 tropical storms annually, and of course plus the floods, earthquakes, landslides, and volcanic events. So and these hazards really overwhelm the first responders here in our country. So the challenge of first responders in the Philippines. So since we experience really, a lot of calamities, one of the challenges is scale and frequency, and of course the mass casualties and the impact that the disaster has done, and communications collapse, coordination breakdown, and difficulty in locating the victims. So, but of course, this disasters doesn't only happen in the Philippines, but it's a global challenge. A lot of countries globally, we experience different disasters. So our solution is a reliable communication during disasters, shared situational maps, updated in real time, drone feed to locate victims, hazards, and damage, and disconnected operations for remote or offline areas. So this, I'll introduce you to TAK, since a lot of you is not really familiar with it. So, Tactical Assault Kit, or also known as Team Awareness Kit, is a geospatial visualization and collaboration tools designed for real-time situational awareness in mission-critical environments. So, it enables secure data sharing, mapping, and communication across diverse teams and devices. So, the core capabilities of TAK is real-time mapping and geolocation, as mentioned earlier, and secure messaging and data overlays for maps, and integration with sensors, drones, and IoT devices. And it is open source, so it can be actively developed and customizable via plugins. So, TAK can be used in these platforms, iOS, Android, Linux, and also Windows. So, why TAK? So, TAK is successfully deployed in conflict zones and disaster response operational globally. So, it is not just in the Philippines, but also deployed in Kenya, Peru, Somalia, Gaza, Mexico, Poland, and Brazil, and also in Catanduanes in the Philippines. And of course, it is field tested in 2017 Marawi crisis under extreme conditions. But even though it is field tested already, it is still in the Philippines and many other countries. And yeah. So with AWS, TAK can be global, scalable, and secure. So this is just high overview architectural diagram of what I do for the disaster response. And so I'll break it down to you one by one. So the main services used for TAK server is, of course, EC2, where the TAK server is deployed, or deployed itself. And then S3 is used for the assets, of course. And this is where we also store the users. And then the DynamoDB is for user credentials. And then we use Lambda to automate this and automate the sending of the credentials of the users. And for clear and instant messaging, TAK can send text and alerts to all responders. But we also integrated AWS Weaker for the messaging, and so it can provide secure communication. So it can have one-on-one chat. It can share updates only with the right teams, and it also has a group or all chats, so everyone can be updated regarding the damages or the situation in the disaster hit area. Also, we can integrate field devices such as IoT. So we use T1000A IoT trackers, and that is connected via LoRaWAN gateways to deliver encrypted GPS and sensor data directly into TAK map. And then, as you can see there, and then it securely sends location to TAK maps as well. And not just using trackers, but all the users, as long as they are connected to the same server, we can see all the users we can see all the users' location as long as they are connected to the same server. So the main services used for this feature is from LoRaWAN. We are using IoT Core that fetches the data from the trackers like sensor data, sensor ID, date, coordinates or the location. And then we use Lambda as the decoder for this. And then EC2, again, for where we deploy the Node-RED. And then the Node-RED will send this location to the TAK or TAK devices or TAK clients. And it can also integrated with drone video streaming. So it sends live aerial views to responders and detects people, hazards, and vehicles. So it's much easier. That's why it can improve search and rescue speed because using the drone, you can locate already the victims. You can see the damage and you can see what to expect when you go there and rescue the victims. So yeah, and also this is a new feature that I did. So CCTV streaming, it's also live, and it provides continuous ground level monitoring, tracks people, again, vehicles, and activity around the key areas, and then enhances site security and operational awareness. So for the two live streaming feature, these are the services that mainly used. EC2 is where we install the GStreamer. So the GStreamer is used to push the live stream from the cameras, from the CCTV to IVS. IVS. And then the IVS does the live streaming. And the S3 is used for auto recording or auto save of the live stream. And then Kinesis video streams. We also push the live stream from the cameras to Kinesis. So we push the video from the cameras to IVS and KVS at the same time. And then the recognition is used for the object detection. The S3 and the video, Kinesis video stream is both connected to the recognition. Lastly, the operations in disconnected areas. So we use AWS Noble Edge for offline TAK. So it can run TAK in no internet environments, and it is ideal for the remote areas or disaster hit zones, which are the areas that doesn't have electricity or internet, and it supports the same features, which is mapping, messaging, and location sharing. So the benefits of this is faster rescues and better coordination, which help in saving more victims, and it operates in degraded or disconnected environments, as I've mentioned earlier, and no more outdated information, and can be deployed for small incidents or nationwide response. So this is the quote I've read in one of the articles. So disasters that are man-made and natural are inevitable. The Philippines is being battered every year by calamities. Our capability to communicate during calamities can be significant impact to those who are responding and to the affected community. So we know that calamities and disasters are natural, so we can't do anything about it. But what we can do is improve our communication and coordination to help the first responders to help them save a lot of people during this disasters. So that's all. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or thoughts, just scan this QR code. And if you have any feedback as well, let me know. And thank you for listening. So let's connect via LinkedIn. Just scan the QR code. Thank you.